Hi everyone, this is a quick video on reducing the amount of load time and lag when using Bluebeam. I've experienced numerous times when using Bluebeam that it will take a couple of minutes to open a set of drawings or a large file. This load time can be reduced from minutes to seconds by compressing the files. To compress the files, go to the top of Bluebeam on the Documents tab and then go to Reduce File Size. Once in this menu, it will ask you how much you want to compress the files. The more compressed the files, the less load time, although the more compressed the file, the less quality of the images. If you compress the file too much, some of the images will be not visible. I find that not adjusting this bar and leaving the file type as recommended compression produces a decent quality with significantly higher load times. You can also add other files by clicking this Add button and go to Files. And these files don't need to be opened in Bluebeam to be compressed simultaneously. So find the file you want, click it, it will add it to this list, and it will show you the current size of the two files. When you press Save, it will start analyzing and reducing both files simultaneously. Once it's complete, it will give you results, which will show you the percentage that each file was compressed. Please note that the larger the file, the more time it will take to compress. So if you're trying to compress a file that is 500,000 megabytes, it may take 20 minutes to compress, but will load much quicker when you view it in the future. Time saved is time earned. Thanks for watching.